Many are not skilled or trained in these applications of talent analytics. We don't know how to use them. So years ago, when this was all fancy and new and shiny, I got a stack of raw data put on my desk, 7 font, right? And came back, Janine, what was your conclusion? And honestly, the only thing I could say at them, like, I've got a conclusion, it's that you need a data scientist, right? I'm not it. I don't know what you want me to do with this information, right? You know, now it's a little shinier, you know, it's not just the pages of raw data. Or you've got folks that are so trained that they become robotic with their recruiting. Everything is data-led, right? No, we can't consider that person. They don't match this specific criteria, right? So it's almost like you want to look at this as the comparison between Captain Kirk and his emotional, by the seat of his pants personality with Mr. Spock, right? Who's just very data-driven, and that's, you know, nothing else matters. So it's a combination of the two. So what do we need to do? We need to understand that analytics are not meant to replace the core competencies. Sometimes I speak to TA professionals, and they're a little nervous with the data scientists coming in. It's the appearance of being replaced sometimes with, you know, well, we've just got this data, we can run these analytics, run these searches, find the employees, and we're done. We are still the secret sauce, right? Human edge still allows us to weigh the nuanced variables that analytics cannot. So we are the ones that still matter. Our ability to make business decisions by interpreting the data and making business decisions and conclusions is really what matters.